from left to right, I have a cup of white jasmine rice. You can use whichever rice you like. And then I'm going to add green pigeon peas to my rice. So when you make your rice, you don't have to add green pigeon peas. You can add any beans that you like. I have adobo, recaito, Puerto Rican sofrito, minced garlic. If you don't have minced garlic, you can also use powdered garlic, whichever you're liking. And sea salt. I have 1 pack of ham powder and a pack of Sazon. And I have the Sazon that says con culantro y achote. Also, I'm going to add turkey smoked sausage to my rice.
Hollis get the cooking in the kitchen. Problems when I'm cooking in the kitchen. Mama count them bricks, I'm out to whip it. Rap about trapping like I was pitching. Whole bricks, rap about cracking, got you addicted. Moving product on the strip with no permission. I'm officially the pusher. The business is
so after mixing all the powders, you should have this type of base. Again, this is what's going to give the rice color.
We were brought up how to clock, nigga, not dug it. We was brought up how to box, nigga, block rugged. Mama smoking rocks, pop stugging.
I've opened and rinsed the beans. Make sure you rinse your beans.
You fucking block into a movie shoot. I figured fucking my niggas and give them something real. Niggas on the block say I'm something real. Coalition, my nigga, but I'ma die for it. For the recognition, nigga, die for it. My ambition, my nigga, to give them something real. Niggas in the kitchen say I'm something real. The coalition, my nigga, but I'ma die for it. For the recognition, nigga, die for it. Dropping shit like a pigeon coop. Hustle hard for that business, fuck what the bitches do. I get to cooking like niggas up in that kitchen do. Got a bitch who can suck a dick and do dishes too. Feeling like a Machiavelli. Thug life for
guys, so after about like 10-15 minutes, I would say, my rice is at the texture that I wanted. This is the final product.
Cooking in the kitchen. Problems when I'm cooking in the kitchen. Got the block flooded, even if the cops hug it. Semi-automatic Glock at your pop's nugget. Bitches love me like Mr. Clinton. Main bitch and my mistress stripping.